Okay, this doesn't happen all the time, but we are here with Channel 10 superstar, one of my favourite actresses from Offspring, Asher Keddie. Welcome to the Collingwood Rooms.
Hey, thanks.
After such a great win, 75,000 people at the G.
I know.
On a Friday night. How are you feeling?
Still shaking. Still shaking. What a finish. That was incredible. Thank God.
How often do you get to the footy?
Oh, look, I would have to say my husband gets to the footy a bit more than I do, but I always watch if I'm not here. But I suppose a good few times a year I come, and Jay never misses a game, but I definitely had to come and see this rematch.
What are your thoughts of the game? Have you got any fingernails left?
Oh, look, my fingernails are okay, but I still am shaking. That really was intense, that last quarter. Look, I just think they deserve it, you know. They're on a winning streak, and to have the 4 players back, particularly Daisy, I thought was great, and I just think they deserve it. They were strong. It kind of got shaky there for a while, obviously, and I was sitting next to Carla and Eddie, and that wasn't pretty. But it was, in the last quarter, it got quite nerve-wracking. I just think they deserve it. I think they're doing really well. I'm sorry to see them all a bit battered now, but it's fun to be down here.
All right, this is one last question for huge bragging rights down at the club.
Okay.
Who is your favourite player at Collingwood?
Have I got it on my...
Whose number have you got on the back?
Jersey. Oh, it's signed. It's Dane.
Is it?
Yeah, it's Swan.
Dane Swan?
Yeah.
There you have it, Dane Swan.
I know.
Asher Keddie.
Yeah.
You heard it first here on CTV.
It was between Diz and Dane, but it was Swan.
Well, thank you for coming down today.
Pleasure.
It's been great to have you.
Thanks for having me.